so far. Carbs ready. We shouldn't run one. I will adjust some screw yet. Clutch is on. Coolant lines are done, except for far one. Over there. I know I didn't record much. Got some time lapse on my fab putting this on. Carbon fiber plate all ignition. I don't like how it turned out. Besides how all the plugs look like garbage. Wasn't bad how the wires got tucked in like that. Battery, all aluminum instead of plastic. Hopefully it doesn't break off this year. Maybe I'll make some straps to hold the battery too. I don't know that middle here. All wired up on handlebars. Probably need to wait till I have it running to know if I have my two-step wires hooked up right for that switch. Steering's changed, so now I can actually go finally same direction, same distance both ways. Before it turned farther than the other. I do have some hardened bushings coming in for here. I just have to figure out how I'm going to cut titanium down. Because right now these holes are starting to oval out, so I want both of these to not be so sloppy. Pipes are on, fuel lines are on. Yes, it's dirty, yes, it's a mess, but I'm out of time. Maybe we'll get it cleaned up eventually. Yes, these look like crap, but they are holding into all the frame instead of just on the plastic. I'm hoping it doesn't break. Got the diggers on, or rippers, whatever you want to call it. Because the first race is a sand track, so hopefully figure out air pressure and roll out so I have the size I want to work. Need to set my wheelie bar up for those because they're different height than what my pullers are. But I got time. I want to work on making this carbon fiber. We're going to go carbon fiber all the way here, flat spot. Come up with a tiny yay high backrest. Pardon my butt cheeks. Little backrest that comes up, kind of forms around me. And then a bubble that'll go over the sprocket. See, that still sticks above the frame a little bit. Get rid of this aluminum that's kind of heavy-ish. What else? Little things here and there to do. Staging discs so lights don't shine through there. Put a cap on because it's not done yet. I got this one to stop leaking, but if you notice, the seats on the V that bulge here. Not so much here and here, so fix that so it doesn't shake, because it will. Add coolant and fuel. Well, we could just add fuel and run it. Might be able to fire it up this week. Should be ready for May 4th. Should be my first one. And then May 11th in Hub City if it's still running. We'll find out. Need to do some grinding on this. This is what happens when you don't put it on right and it just flops around and smashes a hole. So we'll cut her out bigger. That's about all I got.